Hello my friends, this is a video about a Vimak DT800, or as some people call it, DT800. Very little information on it on the net, and I know even less about it, and hence my appeal for knowledgeable people out there to help me out. I mean, service manual, diagram, circuit diagram would have been nice, but even user manual, hey, what remote codes does it use? Because it does use Philips CDM-9 Pro mechanism, and naturally I tried Philips based remote, you know, Moran's remote, but that didn't do anything. So as you see, analog outputs work, but digital one don't. Digital inputs work. I've tried those, and or at least I tried coaxial, didn't try the glass optical. Some button work here, but you know, the display button doesn't, and we have no display. The headphones don't work, but if you press that button, you know, something on display does light up, but they're just four discrete segments there, but the rest of the display doesn't work. Quality stuff. I don't know what the chipset of it is, but I've counted, let's do 5 crystal oscillators. So this is like a lot of programmable stuff, just like in Wadia. You know, good power supply and filtering there, Swiss filter. I think it's from Schaffer. So any info at all is welcome, and you know, or if you have any experience on it at all, even, you know. Well, thank you very much, and hopefully somebody out there has a manual or even knows something, you know, what chipset and what does it do. Thank you very much. Bye bye.